we slept a minute, she would spend the whole time barking at anything that moved. If a leaf fell off a tree or an ant walked by.
Oh, wow. That's the first time I went down and I met your grandma. I'm sorry, honey. I gotta go. Take your medicine and drink a glass of ginger ale every half hour. Okay?
Sweetheart. Why didn't you keep her on the leash?
She was on the leash.
And how?
I told you I had to drop it just for a second.
You don't do that. You keep a loop around your wrist all the time. You know she gets crazy sometimes.
Please don't make me cry again. I have to go to work.
I got my hair appointment in an hour.
Mrs. Bellafiore.
Call me Faith, dear.
Okay, Faith. So you went from the living room into the kitchen to grab another couple beers from the refrigerator.
Not exactly. I went for the beers, but the refrigerator's in the living room.
Refrigerator's in the living room. That's where they found the body, right?
Yeah.
What we're trying to establish here, Faith, is where you were when Enzo was shot. You weren't in the room, so you had to be someplace else, doing something that took enough time to let the shooter get in the front door.
For $300 an hour, why don't you decide where I was when I didn't kill my husband?
Unfortunately, Faith, your agoraphobia limits those possibilities.
Excuse me. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, I'm kind of busy.
Listen, Harry said it was a black car that hit Sophie. Did you see who was driving?
No, honey, it went by in a blur.
Did you see if it stopped? So, what was it exactly? I mean, was it white polka dots? Was it black stripes?
It was a white shirt and pants.
Was it a man or a woman?
I don't know.
Well, could you see breasts?
No, it was a man with a white shirt and jeans. Tom?
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah. Yeah, I just went out to get some magazines. I was gonna wait until morning, but...
Ow!
Sorry.
What's this?
This is rear views. They're all rear views. I figure if you were kneeling down when you looked over at the car and you saw the guy get out, then you must have seen the logo on the back of the trunk. Maybe one of these will jog your memory.
You're creeping me out, Tom. What the hell difference does it make what kind of car it was?
I want to kill my dog. I just want to know.
You need to see Dr. Hoyson.
I don't need to go see a therapist, all right? I just need you to help me now. Please look at these and think. All right?
That's the one.
Thanks. Was this guy's white shirt like whiter and white?
For Christ's sakes, I told you everything, okay? You're driving me out of my mind.
All right, if you just calm down now, if you answer my question, I think this is the last thing I need to know.
Tom, listen to me. You've got to stop obsessing about this. For our sake, okay?
Well, if you want to do something for my sake, sweetheart, you can answer my question. I'm sorry, Perry. I wasn't there when Sophie was killed. You were.
You blame me for killing Sophie. I know that. But you know what, Tom? It was an accident. And I know that this is a lot harder for you because she was your dog, but...
Well, you didn't even like her.
That is a cruel lie.
It's true.
No, it's true that I'm not a real doggy person like you, but I loved Sophie. Because you loved her. And I love you. You know what? Fuck you.
Look, if you just think about this for 1 second, I promise you I will never bring up anything about this incident ever again, all right? All right? Now tell me about the shirt. Was it a gleaming bright white?
It was really bright. How do you know that?
I know this guy. I've seen him a few times at the newspaper stand. He's always wearing that real starched white shirt.
What's the problem?
Change.
Oh, what bullshit. You by now realize that you start the day with change. Hey, wanna watch your dog, there, buddy?
Sophie.
Come on. Sophie, huh? It's all right then. Not the first time I had a dog go down on me. This time I'll have to pay, right?
You think the cops go after this guy if I reported it?
Tom, no, they won't.
Probably right. Hey. Thanks, Roger.
Hey. Thank you.
Gotta run.
Center, please.
No, I'll tell you. In one take and you nailed it. You're like a professional.
I'll tell you, Tom, I forgot. You know, I used to do a lot of that stuff in my college radio station.
How's it going, Tom? Hey, Mr. Hayes, you got a moment? Sure. Hal Rubenstein Furs, Isaac Hayes. Mr. Rubenstein just did a tag for a spot. He signed on for 6 months.
Oh, glad to have you aboard, Mr. Rubenstein.
My God, I'm the one who's glad, Mr. Hayes. You boys have changed my life. You know, I was telling